concept of log management. It's earlier classes. You might have already practiced transactions. You remember? No log hint, right? No log hint.
Sorry, block.
Exactly. Yes. This is the extension there. Every operation we perform on database results in one or more logs. Logs are memory resources applied on database objects and database structures like files, pages, etc. Every log needs about 53 bytes of memory. These logs are used to control the concurrency or parallel access to the database. What is that? Concurrency or parallel access to the database. Okay, here it is. Now, here we go. Let's understand various types of logs. What is it? Various types of logs. Let's observe carefully. Number one. What is that? Let's see. Shared log. Yes. Applicable for read or fetch operations. Read or fetch operations. Okay, same way. We have exclusive log for write or DML operations. Right, or DML operations. Okay, next. Then we have schema stability log. Okay, schema stability log. Observe carefully here. Next. Schema modify log. Stability log is for metadata reads. Do you remember any example? Metadata reads. Okay, sys dot. Okay, sys dot table, sys dot views, sys dot functions. Remember, please, everyone. Metadata views are there, right? Remember now, everyone. Sys dot table, sys dot schemas, system views.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Metadata, right? Means like updates, statistics updates. Okay, remember, stats updates, index rebuilds, index reorganize. Those are schema modify log. Update log. U for updating the table. Intent log. I for shared and exclusive log. S and X logs. Next. With this information, from here, we have something called metadata log, wherein we have operations on master page. Operations on master page, like example, our earlier classes maintenance plans. All databases, all indexes are reorganized and stats are up to date. Thus, at the entire server level, we are performing the activity. That is called metadata activity. Now, how to monitor the log? SP log.